Hey everyone, hope everyone out there is having a awesome and a wonderful day. My name is Sanjeev, and on this video I wanted to share with you how you can actually make money using click trading, right? This is a way that I've been able to generate extra income, and this video I'll be sharing with you step by step so you can take this knowledge and apply it to your business, and hopefully you'll see the same sort of results. So what I'm actually talking about in this video is called click trading, right? And in here we actually buy clicks, and that actual click we sending to our offers, whatever services or offers that we actually promoting, and we pretty much coming on this website, and all these sellers in here you can actually see they have got a huge email list, right? And very targeted email list they have actually got. And what we're doing is we approaching them, and we just giving them our opt-in page, our funnel, and they're actually sending very targeted traffic to our funnel. And once people actually go to our funnel and enter their email, and then the automated emails start sending them emails automatically, right? And I've actually got a sequence set up for about 10 days. When someone actually comes on my funnel, I send them valuable email, and that's when they go ahead and buy whatever I'm actually promoting, right? And after that 10 days they actually gets moved to another list that I have. Then for about another 10 days they get emails for about 5 or 10 days, and then after that they get moved to my list where I send them emails daily, right? So they go through a sequence of about 20 days, and then after that I send them email after that, just to get them to buy whatever I'm actually promoting, right? So in here you can see you can actually create a account for free, right? And you don't need to pay anything. You can just sign up for Udemy, and in here on Udemy, this is the actual filters that I've actually set up. So for visitors I do 1,000 ratings. I want to get a seller that has got like 25 plus ratings. Language, that doesn't really matter, they can be from any country. Max I'll go is like $2, like that per click. I do like the max is $2 per click, and this is very important to me. Sales, they should be getting 20% of the customers that actually bought their clicks. They should be getting sales, right? In here I just choose any because I don't really care about these ones. In here you can actually choose, so whatever things you're actually promoting, you can actually choose in here. You got health, finance, mobile, social, crypto, right? So you can choose. The one that I actually choose is marketing because my one is actually business opportunities, right? And here you can do repeat customers. People actually bought their product and services, actually do business with them, right? So this is, I actually do 20% because they got repeat orders, which actually proves that these are actually really awesome traffic that they're actually sending. And the traffic I want to get from is like top tier countries, is like USA. This the one that I actually choose. And in here I just go ahead and see which one I actually want to send the offers to. So 49 cents per click that they're actually sending to, and 93% of the people who actually bought the this buyer's click have actually got sale, like 93%, which is like really awesome, right? 79%, 75%, 76%, 45%, right? So I'll test between different vendors, see which one actually gets me results, then I'll go and buy from them like on a continuous ongoing basis. For me, I've actually got a list of 3 or 4 that I've actually really like, and I go to them on a daily basis, continuous basis, and I buy from them on an ongoing basis. Okay, so, and if you want to know what service that I've actually promote, so this is the one that I've actually promote at the moment, right? This is the all-in-one business model where it actually teaches you how you can actually get ongoing right? So this is a $25 system that you can actually get started, and with this you get plugged into the community of like-minded people, and where you get to see like how you can become successful in the online space, right? So really awesome company. And I really love this company because they never miss a commission. They always pay the commission on time, and I've done about this company in the previous video, so you can go and watch it. And so far they have paid the affiliates about $4.4 million, right, within a very short amount of time. And this company is growing like crazy, and I just love this company to be able to learn all the skills required for me to become successful in the online space. So again, thank you. Just a short video of how I actually make money using click trading method, and you can actually do the same. Depends whatever promotion, whatever service you want to promote out there, and you just have to select the actual niche in here, so that way you can actually go and buy whatever things that you have to be able to make money using click trading. So again, thank you so much. My name is Sanjeev, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye for now.